Hey, welcome back. I am Ross and you're watching Sky Management. Today we are going to be doing a repair on a Moen kitchen faucet. It's a single handle faucet, and this is a 7000 series faucet that uses a mechanism that looks like this to raise and lower the cartridge. This is a common problem that they have, is that this plastic clam shaped piece will break across here. This is a fail point on these. I don't think it's the greatest design, but at least the repair parts are cheap, and we will link this repair kit in the description down below the video. First thing you need to do is remove the handle. If this is the type of faucet you have, you don't need to turn the water off to get to these pieces. This one, the screw was actually broken in this one. The kit comes with the Phillips head screw, the Allen wrench set screw, the Allen wrench that you need, and the two pieces that we're going to replace in here. So we're going to remove that Phillips head screw, and this piece will come out of here. To get to that clam shaped piece, removing this top cap helps. Then this is that clam piece that is broken here. Get it out. So we're going to be replacing that. There's the other half of it there. And we're going to go ahead and replace that piece too. Before you start taking apart the faucet, it's a good idea to put the plugs in the drains so that you don't lose any of the little screws and pieces down into the garbage disposal. The plastic clam-shaped piece goes on a specific way. The fatter side is toward the bottom, and it's the side that is shaped like the top of the cartridge. And it snaps on there like that. Go ahead and put the screw in there. Tighten this down. Once you have the screw tightened down, you can put this little collar piece back on. Then our handle will go back over the top of that, and you line up the hole on this with the hole on this, right there to right here. Allen wrench screw. The kit comes with the Allen wrench to put it in. Once you have the Allen wrench screw all the way down in, you can put the cap back on and test your faucet. And that is how you repair your Moen 7000 series faucet. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.